Good morning, guys. Hello, thank you for watching. Today I am going to ride with my friends and we will go bike ride from Alameda to Treasure Island today. So come with us and I hope you enjoy and I'm so excited to ride with them again. It's been a while. So let's go. And don't forget, this is the day the Lord has made. Let us rejoice and be glad in it. And with that, let's seize the day. Come on.
Beautiful day today. It's just five of us riding our bikes today. We miss Manny and we miss Roof. I hope those two are doing well. Shout out to you, Roof. Shout out to you, Manny. We miss you. Come back soon. We're in Alameda right now. Headed to Treasure Island. Picture time. Oh, brother. Huh? Oh, yeah. Whew. That was tough. Look at the view. Oh, we're going up? Huh? Ah! Oh my God. Oh, I don't think I can do it. Oh, hindi ko na kaya.
Almost there, yun lang yung tutok ko.
I can't. Whoa. Sige, I'll follow. Kaya nga eh. Kasi, oh my goodness. This is not the route before. Oo eh. Ah! Okay. Thank you, thank you. Wow. View is great. So steep though. This is not for the faint of heart. Kaya nga no? Sige. Keep going. I'll follow you. Thank you ah. I know, thank you for waiting. Bridge. Ang ganda no? Yeah. This is too steep. Why are we here? One Oh my God. We weren't here before. Look how slow I am. Better safe than sorry. You know what they say? Even if you're afraid, do it anyway. It's exactly what's happening with me right now. Nice. That's the payoff. Did you see how steep that was? Holy moly. That's too much. I don't know what I'm thinking about. Wow, that was intense. I made it though. I sure made it. Okay, keep going. Okay, keep going. Sige, sige. That was so hard. Whoa,
Yan, zigzag lang yan.
that was so steep. Asan tayo pabalik? Same way? Oh, ang hirap naman nun. Oh my gosh. Sige.
Pag medyo pag matatarik, para ano ka,
Oh,
ilagay mo yung bigat mo dito sa likod.
sa likod yung ano bigat.
Ganyan yung pet mo para nakaano. Para, kasi pag nakaano ka dito sa harap,
Aha.
pag nag-spray ka minsan, baka mag-endo ko eh. Mag-endo. Ilagay mo sa likod yung bigat mo.
Okay. Anyway, look at the flowers. That was so hard. My goodness, what am I doing with this group? It's beyond my league. Ah! This is too much. This is too much. What? Ay, ay, ay. They're right there. Anyway, thank you, Lord, for protecting me. I was scared, but I did it anyway. Wrong spot. It's okay. Sige. Thank you, thank you. Whoa! 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 Bubog! Bubog! Whoa! That guy almost ran me over. Didn't see my gigantic frame. Oh, what in the world? That was so hard. Never been so scared in my life. No, just kidding. What was that?
Saan tayo? Straight?
Grabe yun, Mon. Kakatakot naman. We didn't go there before.
Sige, pwede na. Basta ano, okay, go, go. Habang walang
Go?
sulbang. Yeah, go. Okay, go.
Oh. Okay. Okay. Go. Wow. Here. Oh. Sidewalk. Make sure you follow us. Mon, saan mo naman kami dinala, man?
Okay, sandali ka din sila.
No! Hindi ganun pababa. Hindi ganun pababa. I was scared. No! Kala ko makikita ko na si Jesus kanina.
Si Papa muna.
Si Papa God?
Hindi, si Papa.
Sino Papa?
Pero kung masagasa ka,
Ah, si Pope muna. Eh, hindi ako Catholic eh.
may sa
Kita mo rin siya.
Diyos ko, sabi ko nung nangyari sa mga to, bakit ako dinala dito?
Mas yung dinaanan natin,
No!
mas gradual yun.
What? No! Mon!
Yung, kung kalye dinaanan mo, kasabay mo traffic, tapos hindi ka makaka-brakes.
Oh, grabe.
Oo, kaya yun, yung gradualized pa yun.
What? It's worth it.
Yeah.
Parang kala mo,
Tsaka
worth.
wala kang sabay na traffic.
Oo, yun, tama. Tsaka kala mo, bottom line, worth na i-risk ko yung buhay ko.
Hindi, alam mo ka sa breaks. Di ba?
Kaya nga. Pero
Ganda sana pag nagbukas ako, no?
I know. Pero ang bagal ko makikita mo sa video para akong
Thrilling pa naman sana.
hindi na ano ko yun, I think I did.
Talagang yan yung ano mo,
Parang yun
clickbait
yung-
mo.
yan
Yun
yung-
clickbait mo, sasabihin mo ano.
Oo. Ito na yung pagkakataong kung
I saw my life flash.
ito na yung pagkakataong kung maging hit, no?
I saw my life
Flash before me.
before me and it wasn't paparazzi.
It wasn't.
Ayan, lalat tayo ah. Sandali.
Oh,
Okay, clear.
clear, clear. Sige.
Okay, clear.
Clear. Mamaya na tayo magtsikahan. Focus.
Excitement for change yung block mo.
Oo, talaga.
Oo, hindi ano.
Parang ano kayong mangyayari sa kanya?
Oo,
Yung ganon, ano?
nangyayari.
Oh.
Tapos sasabihin ko pa na ano, na pag umabot ang subscriber mo ng 100, isasave ko na itong mukha ko.
Oo, tama.
Mga ganyan tayo dapat,
Tama.
di ba?
Pero pag na ano ko na to, na-upload ko na, immortalize ka na rin, Mon.
Ganun ba?
Oo, syempre.
Nandiyan ba ako?
Oo. Hindi ko gusto mo bang i-ano ko, i-blur, i-blur ko yung mukha mo?
May blue.
Yeah.
May blue dot.
Gusto mo bang purple para,
Tayo dito.
okay, purple na lang para match, no?
Paano na kung Barney nun?
Ikaw ang may kasalanan yun, nag-purple ka eh.
Dapat talaga naka-display ka no? Kasi yung mga December talagang matataan. Left tayo.
Sige.
Lubak.
Lubak! Okay, another one.
Oh no.
Bakit? Sarado pa? 9 o'clock na. Yeah, on the dot. Okay. Turn off ko muna tong video para makakain.
Teka lang, naka-on ba?
Oo, naka-on. Ito naman. Ito na pagkakataon mo sa ano.
Sana sinabi mo kasi sana nag-English ako.
Ay!
Hira ka naman.
Di bale. Bahala ng viewers umintindi sa atin.
Nag-English ako tapos hinandra ko na yung panyo ko. Ano.
Alright. Going to eat. Alrighty. Araceli.
Yung sa likod, yung backyard meron eh. Okay na, home entertainment.
Naalala mo ba si Manny sa music?
Naalala. Yan, natapos na yun. Nakalimutan.
Pang Manny ba yan?
Ayun, meron siya dala.
Manny, we miss you.
Meron.
Yan.
Hindi, tsaka tingnan.
Ayan, meron na. Sige,
Tumitawa.
mamaya na. At last. Okay. Hindi ko alam. Sige, akitin nyo yan ha. Hintayin nyo ako sa taas, maglalakad ako. Uy, ang ganda! Uy, ang ganda din naman yung butterfly, oh. Gusto kong anuhin. Yan. Anuhin yung ano. To land.
Okay, alam mo naman ako.
Kung ano-anong oh, sweet ka kasi.
Ganda.
Very, very nice.
Kita mo, last week, nandyan kami sa ano. Nandito kami sa kabilang side.
Oo, ibang klase talaga kayo. Very ano kayo. Inspiring. Inspiring, aspiring, lahat. Lahat. Meron bang red?
Ay, meron nga.
Oh, yan. You're on camera.
Hello.
You're very inspiring and aspiring.
naging proper, no? Hello.
Oo, So,
Yeah, for, if we gain our 100th subscriber,
yes.
yes,
If we
I
do.
will shave my
Okay.
eyebrows.
O, sige mo na. Yan talaga, isi-save ko yan. Breath. Grabe, man. I don't know if I will ever get there. But you know, whatever. Whatever. Talagang...
Halika, interview natin to si...
Teka lang, ano ko to para hindi
Ayan,
makita
si-
yung chan ko. Masyado malaki.
Mukhang dadami yung subscribers mo rito.
Dadami subscriber ko
Oo,
ngayon.
yan.
Pagkatapos.
Pakita mo yung mga kagagwapo.
Oo, yung mga... Oo. Yung ganun.
Yan, ganyan.
One.
That's a nice one.
Golden Gate. Yun naman.
Oo nga. Hindi.
Hindi ba?
Oo.
Nakikita ka na sa vlog eh.
Hindi, ano lang yan, pang pastime lang. Pag kumita ako,
Pare yun yung maganda.
magre-resign na ako, men.
Maraming subscriber.
Kaya nga eh.
Million eh.
Million ba sila? Talaga?
Yun nga lang yung pangalan ng yung pangit.
Ha?
Si Wamos, puta ka ng daming pera nun eh. Si Wamos.
Ah! Nakikita ko ata one time yun. Bakit maganda ba yung mga content niya?
Yaman pare, bili-bili. Lamborghini.
Nakapagano ka ng magandang asawa, no? Bata.
Walang katulad. Si Tony Fowler, basta doon pinupili.
Ano ba yung pinopost niya? Bakit siya ganun ka-popular? Oh, talaga? Oo. Oo nga. Ano na yun eh, hanap buhay mo na yun eh.
Stress ka eh. Kasi you have to keep thinking of new content.
Yeah.
Di ba,
Oo.
Tats, kwento ko nga kay si Will Dasovich eh.
Oo.
Yun yung ano ni Tats eh. Yung...
Tapos magkamali ka lang, yung biglang
Oo, mababash ka.
pambansang Kulokoy ba yun?
Ah, meron. Ang ganda ng title niya, no? Pambansang Kulokoy.
Pambansang Kulokoy, puro mga kalokoy.
Yung ano, yung gusto maging Pinoy citizen. Yung may parang siyang headband na ano.
Saan tayo?
Marami.
Keep going, no? Ayan, keep going. Yeah, keep going.
Eh, nakakita mo nga yung taas dyan. Sa street.
Magle-left tayo dyan.
Street tayo, street. Let's right tayo.
Okay.
Right tayo ah.
Okay. Minsan pag nakakita ako ng mga construction workers na nagtatrabaho sa mga magagandang lugar, I wish na makatira rin sila sa mga ganitong lugar, ano?
Eh, huwag mo na lang ilayo dun sa ano,
Mm.
yung gumagawa ng mga shoes na Nike.
Oh, yeah.
Tapos hindi nila ma-afford, di ba?
Oh, come on.
Diba?
Tama ka. Ganda naman ito. Ano kaya? Ano to? Apartments to, no? Condo, apartments.
Sa ano sa taas eh, no?
Oo, wow. Pero dapat meron silang grocery stores na rito.
I think eventually.
Oo, oo.
Magkakaroon yan.
So inconvenient pa.
Hindi ka
Pupunta pa
nalalabas.
sila ng, yeah.
Oo.
Magko-cross ka pa ng bridge or what?
No? Bakit hindi, no?
Yeah.
Ayan, dito tayo sa...
Okay. Be careful, the curb. Saan? Oh yeah. Oh. Oo nga no. Nako, yan na yung ano, akyatin nyo. Yung akyatin nyo, Mon.
Dapat i-video mo nga para...
Kaya nga eh, pero
Para pag-akyat mo.
dyan ba tayo? Hindi, di ba? Dito
Tayo
eh.
sa Pasig.
Yasa, oo.
Kasi ang daming tao eh. Pero yung ano, kung diyan ka aakyat, kita mo naman na mas steep yan, di ba?
Pero, oo, pero the last time nung quiet, dyan tayo bumaba eh. I remember.
Pwede.
Oh, dyan tayo
Pero
bumaba
mas
eh.
steep yan.
Wow.
Oo, kaya nga.
It didn't seem like it was.
Kaya tayo hindi bumababa dyan kasi halimbawa grupo tayo, mas safe din sa quiet.
You did, oo. Pero parang kanina mas steep eh, pero hindi pala. Ayan na. Sige, I'll follow you.
Ang ganda sa dulo.
Pero dadaanan muna natin yung zigzag, which is madali.
Just wait for me upstairs. Upstairs. Up there. Oh no. Oh, roadkill.
Skunk?
I think so.
Hindi mabantatan.
Yun ang gusto ko. Oh my goodness.
Pasok dito, ano?
Yeah. Oh my gosh. Morning. I'll go. Shoot. Go here. Oh my gosh. That was so hard. Yeah. I'm the lightest. And I'm struggling. Beautiful. no. Here we go.
Tsaka ano,
Oh,
pagka ma-intimidate nung sa tingin na, yeah, just,
hindi sa tingin mo sa totoo lang eh. It's the real thing. Oo.
yeah, I just told you.
Mauna na kayo. Seriously. Sige, sige. Oh, man. Oh. That was tough. That was tough. Look at that. Look at that. Asan tayo pupunta?
Hindi ka pa nga lowest gear, che.
Ha?
Still,
Hindi,
May one
tama
more
na
pa.
yan. That's it.
May 1 more pa.
Saan?
pa, oh.
Oh.
It doesn't matter.
Alright.
It doesn't matter at this point.
No.
Yung
It's either walking or getting it on the boat.
mayroon pa ba tayong akit?
Kaya may saglit lang yan dyan.
Ah, sige ha.
May saglit na agad.
May saglit na akyat ha.
Ayun o, nakikita ko na.
Ah,
Boss,
yun.
subukan pa natin sa baba, dun sa ano.
Ah, wag na.
Under the bridge.
Sa kabila.
Yeah. Ganda yun, baka gusto ni Che.
I think I've been there.
Ay, sa baba. Oh.
Maganda yun.
Yeah, she's been there.
I've been there.
Yung akyat doon, it's not as bad as this one. It's not really bad.
I think I've been there. Ay, oo nga pala, may akyat pa to.
Saglit lang to.
Oh my
Saglit lang
God.
to, follow through lang. Huwag lang madali. Easy pedal lang. Easy lang. When you feel your heart beating, then slower your pedal. Tapos kung kaya, kung clear, do slight zigzag para hindi masyado steep. It helps. Yan, do slight zigzags. Ito.
Clear. Yeah, I've been here.
Ay, hindi na tayo naklat, ha?
Okay.
Okay.
Uwi na tayo.
Glenn, galing ka doon? Galing ka na dyan? You wanna see it?
Yeah, it's good. It's worth it. Oh, may kotse, may kotse. We're going up? Okay.
Kung may bala.
Nice view. Look at the wildflowers. Hello, spring. We're in the Hierba Buena Park. Ganda ng view, no?
Hi Frank, this is Tisha. I'm just calling to check in.
Uy. Baba na ako ah.
Dapat nag-vlog ka dyan, no?
Oh. Oo, ano? Ano gagawin?
Hindi,
Ha?
sana nag-vlog ka.
I did.
Oh, ganda ng view eh.
I know.
Ayos na.
Is it on?
Yeah, ayos.
Is it, diba? Oh. Yeah. Beautiful. It's worth the effort, the struggle, the pain, the tri-tip. Downstairs? There's no stairs. Down. I'll meet you down. Okay. Yahoo. Alright. It's a beautiful day today. It's not hot, it's not cold. Look at the flowers. Can't beat that. We're in Alameda now. Oh man. Sige, sige, Earl. Oh, ako na.
Sila ka, sa box, sa box.
Okay. Dito tayo.
Kaya ang ginagawa niya, meron siyang side hustle.
Oh.
Oo nga pala, Chino,
Oh.
nakapili ka na ng Tesla, di ba?
Ah, oo nga eh.
Pero wala namang nangyayari.
Wala naman. Ano na eh, magwa 1 year na sa next month.
Meron kasi mga kilala ko,
Oh.
yun, apat na tayo na rin yung station ng gulo.
Oh, grabe naman.
Oo, kaya nga eh.
Sa awa ng Diyos, thank you Lord.
Oo nga.
Okay lang, basta ano,
Kawawa rin naman.
just live your life. Kasi wala,
Stop yourself.
I know. Stopping. Okay. Whew. Malapit na matapos ang kalbaryo.
Isipin mo, no? Mayaman ka lang doon. Tumahimik ka lang, ano?
Yeah, hindi siguro gusto niya ng spotlight eh.
Saka na. Yun na nga.
Ayun ang gusto niya eh.
Narcissist, megalomania. Saka ano, yung mga ganun, di ba?
Oo,
Classic, ano?
classic.
Classic.
Textbook. Oh, yan na. Okay. Very good. Go, go, go.
Okay, guys, that concludes our ride today. I hope you enjoyed it. And thank you again for watching. Until next time. And of course, we seize the day today. All right, thank you. Bye.